Hi everyone, welcome to 30 and Wandering. Come along for my first ever hike at Mount Pulag.
Cheers. One more time. Cheers.
She moves like a map with no border.
Isa pa? 1, 2.
I see her boots at the corner cafe.
Isang bote daw po. Yan nga, may kalamansi na siya. Gin kalamansi.
Chasing skies I've never
Sige na, tikman na.
while I stay in my lane. But some
Init ka talaga dyan.
keeps pulling at my chest. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride. Leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today,
Next
you'll
ng video pa yung paano.
vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Salamat ka, nakarating kami.
Action. Yun lang, natapit ko.
Stop na niya tumatang mo. Stop. Worry about mo. Stop.
Sugat-sugat lang.
Si kuya pa rin kasama natin pababa.
Oo, maaawa siya sa atin.
Ano ba punod siya kami? Mas maganda dun pa sa amin. Doon lang kami
Kasi
sa
ayaw
pinakababa. Ayaw na lang. Sabi nga dun daw yun, no, sa pinakamata.
Unti na lang.
Hindi makita natin. Ayun na.
Hindi, mas maganda nga daw dun sa tower.
Kasi dito tayo pinapunta. Para na.
Mali nga yung detection nila nung una daw, sabi. Kasi, bigla nagkaroon ng
Ano oras kayo nakarating na?
5:40.
Tayo? 6?
30. At least, nakarating.
Sinong ate nga nandun sa kabila?
Sipon ko. Kaya sinisipon natin Grace? Hindi. Kaya matagal pa tayo doon sa bato.
Dahan-dahan lang. Just casually lang. Casual. P. Karen Claire.
Bayin mo na. Hindi po, ma'am. Piging tour. Saan?
Tinakalul Geraldine.
Mga pagod. Ganda. Picture ba yan? Oo. Tignan mo. Ganito picture mo.
Nag-video na ako. Baba ka konti, Grace. Dun. Yan. Yan. Video. Dapat naglalakad ka. Tingin-tingin ka.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next vlog.